This weekend we're staying at Lake Louisa State Park. This is a 4,300 acre state park right out on US 27, just kind of west of the Orlando area. This place has got miles of hiking trails, there's horseback riding, kayaking, canoeing, and a nice little campground with, I don't know, maybe 30 or 40 sites total. So it's the campground is pretty secluded. It's about 3 miles back from the main entrance of the park. And we're staying here the whole weekend. We checked in Friday, we're leaving Sunday, and it's dirt cheap. It's only like $50 for the whole weekend.
I'm Apple.
And I'm Rob. Join us as we seek out new adventures and escape the 9-to-5 grind.
We travel by land, sea, and air, searching for fun adventures, best-kept secrets, culinary delights, and tasty craft beers.
Ready? These adventures made possible by you. Support us below. There's not one thing we realized on this long road trip we did is good old Tahoe here has a very hard time towing our travel trailer anything faster than, say, 55 miles an hour our whole trip. We didn't have enough space to bring our dinghy along with us and a lot of other stuff we wanted to do, so we decided it's time to upgrade. We've been searching for like 6 months now, just looking for a new truck, and we finally found one. So today's the day that we say goodbye to the Tahoe and say hello to that shiny little pickup truck sitting right over there. This is it. We got a new to us 3500 HD Silverado, under 100,000 miles, and yeah, we're super excited.
Fast forward to the following weekend, and we head out on our first camping trip in our new truck.
All right, so we got a little problem here. Our air conditioner wouldn't fire on. We got some other campers in our around our site there to come and help us out and get me up onto the roof since we don't have a ladder with us. And I took the capacitor off, got it down here, so we're gonna run over to the RV, one of these RV stores around here, and see if we can't get a replacement capacitor, see if that does the trick. Otherwise, it looks like we're going to be sweating it out for the weekend. And to continue the good luck, we lost the cover for our refrigerator. Somehow that outside vent flew off somewhere, don't know where. So we're going to get another one of those and make sure it's properly secured.
After replacing the capacitor, the AC still didn't work. So I gave Rob the genius idea to just hit the compressor with a rubber mallet, and it actually worked. Time to grab a drink and join the rest of the bunch for some dinner and s'mores.
So this weekend we're staying at Lake Louisa State Park. It's in Central Florida, kind of just west of Disney World, if you know where that is. And it's the highest point in all of Florida. It's a really cool campground. So we're gonna go explore around a little bit and see what there is to see. prices here for kayaking, canoeing, you know, anything recreational. They even got little cornhole boards you can rent, fishing poles, and all that cool stuff. Bicycles.
We're headed to downtown Claremont. The friends that we came here camping with this weekend have all been here before, and they said we have to go check it out. And there's like a grand opening of some market, there's breweries, cute shops, and all that. So we're all caravanning our way down to town and spend the afternoon before the rain comes. Let's hope it doesn't.
Look at that view.
I know. It's insane.
That's Lake Louisa.
Right. The lake we're on is Dixie Lake. How much money do you got?
About $180.
Wow, you have $180?
Well,
So you have that on you?
no,
Can I borrow it?
no.
Look at this. All kinds of books.
That's cool.
You're not allowed to go in there.
Why? Because why? Because you said so. Oh, that's why.
That's cool, isn't it?
It's in New England IPA, Jupiter, Florida.
Okay. Let me do 2 of those.
Okay.
Cheers.
Sweet here, do you like? This is tuna and those 3 salmon.
This was tuna?
Yes.
I'm trying to figure out what else is in here. So what else is in here other than the tuna?
It's pineapple, cilantro, masado, spicy mayo, tuna, and edamame.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. All right.
We also have mini pies. Yeah, what's in those mini pies? That's why.
So we have apple on the top and then we have pecan on the bottom.
You're gonna get me an apple pecan pie?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh my god, cheers.
Cheers. Oh man. So good. The stinkier the better, right?
Sticky cheese is so good and it's so creamy.
I don't remember. Rochelle.
Horchata?
Rochella? Oh, forgot it. Yeah.
Yes.
There you go. You don't want it? Oh, you don't. Oh, okay, more for me.
I do smell the stink.
Yeah. Is that good or bad for you guys?
Oh, I don't care.
It does.
It does.
It's okay.
After an eventful morning exploring the shops, we stopped for some lunch and some great conversation. The birthday party was later that evening and it was a lot of fun, but just like many weekend trips, they end too soon.
Oh yeah, we had a pretty eventful weekend. This thing blew off on the way out. Had to go buy another one. Luckily they had one in stock. Alright, so we came down here for one of our friends' birthdays. We had a few other campers with us here. we kind of had this whole area. There was four of us campers in total. So yeah, we had a great time. We were at Site 24. This is a really awesome campground. I'd definitely come back here and stay again. The price is right, so can't beat that. Lots of activities to do. So didn't really get to do anything other than, you know, we came here for the birthday party. But I'd come back here again and maybe do some kayaking, horseback riding, some other stuff they have available to do. Yeah, the weekend's over too quick. It's still a little drizzly out, but I think we're gonna make a pit stop at Disney and just see what's going on today before we head back home. The weekends are way too short.
So the rain's let up, nice and cool out. Why not make a trip around Epcot? We haven't been to this park in a while, so let's see what kind of yummy stuff we can find. Luckily, the Food and Wine Festival is still going on at Epcot, so we had our fill of lobster rolls and ice cold beer. What are we getting?
I don't know. I think I might just do like a black and tan, I think.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Sure.
Yeah.
Even though it rained quite a bit, as usual, we still had a fantastic weekend. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, follow, all that good stuff. See you in our next adventure.